Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This looks totally different than the way it does without the shadowing. These are actually solid and not separated. Pretty cool effect. Let's just move that over there. And let's take an ellipse and hit P. And let's Control D and make a duplicate. And then bring it in. And then Control D, Control D. I'm going to do 5 of them this time. Take a 2-point line, hit P, put it in the center of the page, Control D and make a duplicate, and rotate it 45 degrees. Now, it'd be nice to do different colors, and we can, but you would have to painstakingly do each one of them separately. So we're going to make the Smart Fill tool, you know what, let's at least make a different color for this one. So I'm going to take away, whenever you Smart Fill, make sure you take it away so it wouldn't be on top of it. That's what happens when you have the Smart Fill tool open. And let's make it this orange this time. And then this is going to show you the attribute eyedropper. So we're going to take this first one and go to Interactive Fill Tool, and we're going to make it pretty black. And really the best way to do this is to go ahead and put your black box around it, go up to Object, Order, back a page, and then that way you can kind of see, once we take away the lines, is that really dark enough? And no, I don't think it is. So we're going to get the Interactive Fill Tool again and make it a little bit darker. Then get your attribute eyedropper, and then this way they'll all be the same attribute. Let's take away these lines. I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and anything the Alt key touches will select it. It actually selected my black box too, but that's fine. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and because I'm working in the center of the page, Control C, and you can see it now, it's going to rotate from there, and we're going to rotate it at 45 degrees. And see, right now it looks like they're nothing special. Well, let's put a black box around it and look at that. That's the difference. Now, I do have some separation lines in there, and I could make those lines black, make those lines white. Well, that messes it up totally because then you can see it. But anyway, that's a pretty cool effect. It actually looks like they're angled and like a fan would be, but they're not, much like over here with the yellow one. I might make one next couple of days with different colors, but then you have to do each one of those individually because you can't use the attribute eyedropper because it'll turn it that color that you were doing. But anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.